Happy Mother's Day to everyone. Wish you all the happiness and bond with your child, talk to your child, get involved with your child as much as you want. Even if you're working, come when you come back home, spend time with your child, go for dinners and go to a garden and spend as much as time as you can. Happy Mother's Day. Throughout my journey when I was pregnant with Tara, Khushi was of great support. But फिर बोलते हैं अपना बच्चा है तो देखो क्या कर रही है, उसका हाथ नहीं पकड़ा, वो कैसे देख रही है, मायूस होके देख रही है. अरे यार मतलब for you your child's well-being, upbringing matters the most. That's how you change.
Your pregnancy journey was not a cakewalk.
जय कैसे करते हैं बताओ. दीदी को नहीं आता है.
मुझे नहीं आता. ओह ऐसे
पाउची कर रहा है इसलिए. Hi, I'm Mahi Vij and you watching me on midday.com.
Hello and welcome to midday.com. This is Shachi Chaturvedi and today in conversation with us we have an actress, a wife, a daughter, but most importantly a mother of 3, Mahi Vij. Hi Mahi,
Hi.
Welcome to Midday. How are you?
Very well.
So Mother's Day is coming and now Mother's Day is more special to you with 3 kids. So what are your plans?
So I'm going to be missing Khushi Rajveer because they have gone to their hometown. Usually what they do is they make a card or they give me a surprise because they teach Tara also how to make a card or surprise mom on Mother's Day and their mother too. So it's going to be it's always special since Tara's birth because she gave me a label of mother and Mother's Day has always been special since her birth.
Mahi, it's been good couple of years since you have become a mother. So how life has changed?
Life changes in a way that you don't prioritize yourself or your partner for that matter or anybody for that matter, your friends, family. For you, your child's well-being, upbringing matters the most. That's how you change. You get unconditional love from someone and you also give unconditional love. So it changes. Not major changes like routine is the same. It's just that you give all the time and you prioritize your child before anyone else.
Your pregnancy journey was not a cakewalk with IVFs, losing someone and all of that. So after so many years now, have you coped up?
Yeah, I'm a very happy-go-lucky person. During my pregnancy also I never felt that it's something which is going to be I'm going through a difficult time or I have to cope up with this. I had a very smooth pregnancy besides IVF. Yes, but see, you have to be positive, you have to think positive that at least God is giving me a child, the child is there, and then I can't be negative. Once you have a child in your womb, you can't be negative. You have to think positive, you have to be thankful about the things you have. And procedure was difficult, but I always had a smile on my face thinking that I'm doing this to have a child, to become a mother. And yes, and when Tara was also there, I was pretty positive. So that's how I am in life. I don't have that post depression or post what they call people have because all that I didn't go through all that.
You didn't go to postpartum depression?
No,
then?
I didn't.
So who amongst you and Jai is more anxious about things?
I am
You are, but you said you are a happy-go-lucky.
anxious when it comes to Tara. I'm very
Acha.
anxious. Yeah.
Okay.
Like I'm very anxious that even if she goes to school, so I keep thinking, what will she be doing right now? The snacks they get, so इसने पूरा snacks खाया होगा नहीं खाया होगा. So anxious in that way.
Acha. So Tara is now 4.5 years old.
Rajveer is 7.5 and Khushi is 9.
Right. So anything from their childhood, any one story that you want to share? Anything after Tara's birth? How Rajveer and Khushi was with her? Anything?
I think throughout my journey when I was pregnant with Tara, Khushi was of great support. When I used to get shots, that time she used to actually tell the nurse, अगर आपने अच्छे से shot नहीं दिया ना इस बार मम्मा को दर्द हुआ तो कल हम आपको नहीं बुलाएंगे. So she was there throughout and Khushi Rajveer were on cloud 9 and they were like, oh my God, we are going to have a baby. They were very happy. You know, a lot of people told me there'll be a jealousy between them, but they're very careful about her. They're very loving towards her, very protective towards her.
Tara, you wanna come?
Come sit. Okay, Shoni.
So now we have Tara also with us.
Say hi to everyone. Hi.
Now when Tara is here, how you and Jay divide your responsibilities?
It's not about dividing responsibilities. The moment you tell a man you have to do this, they will never do. So it's not about dividing responsibilities. It's about thinking that this is my child. You know, I have to also take the child to play area. I also have to make them study. I also have to do certain things. It's not like, you know, you will only do, or I will do this, or you will do this. There's nothing like that कि ये तुम करोगे या ये मैं करूँगी. Yeah, when she was born, Jay was changing her diapers also, making her sleep also, helping her burp also. There were a lot of things he was doing as a father, and there were a lot of things I was doing as a mother. So there was nothing like, you know, ये तुम्हारी responsibility है, tick 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 tick, ये मेरी responsibility है, tick tick. No, there's nothing like that.
So he was equally a part in everything.
Yeah, everybody should be equally. There should be no thing like, you know, आप ये करोगे and I will do this. When we mark things, that doesn't work, you know.
Anything that Tara has ever done which has amused you कि ये छोटा सा बच्चा ये सब?
She's very kind-hearted. Like even if she when we go and we see मतलब beggars आते हैं पैसे मांगने या कुछ, तो her thing was when I don't give them money or something, she asks me, Mama, why didn't you give them? You know, she was hungry. She was saying she wants to eat something. You should always help. Be kind. So that amazes me a lot. She is a very kind child, and she's very I call her, she's a healer, you know. She heals, you know, with me, anybody. She heals herself. She heals people around her. So yeah, that amuses me a lot.
So she is not one of the cranky babies. She is very.
She is cranky at times.
Yeah. Tara, what Mama is saying?
Are you cranky at times? Yes. Do you trouble Mama? You trouble Mama? You agree to it? Okay. Okay.
So Mahi, we all know the good side of internet, that love kids, and when it comes to celebrity kids, they just love them a lot. So what are your relationship with the internet in general when it comes to Tara or the paparazzi culture?
Like what?
Like when they get spot you, are you comfortable with it, and did you ever face any trolling when it comes to kids, your kids?
So trolling is part of social media. You do good, they will troll you. Do bad, they will troll you. So it doesn't affect me anymore. You know, they were trolling her for makeup, that she does makeup and all. But I see a lot of people who go for school events, normal kids who are not celebrity kids, dark lipstick or full powder and blush on everybody, and we have done it. You know, everybody's trying to educate the other person. How can you do this and how can you do this? But when it comes to them, they're doing nothing, just typing. Just what are they doing? They're trolling.
Right.
So that's the worst thing they're doing. So what are you educating us to do? You know, you yourself are trolling. First you learn on your this thing, that how to be positive. You are not being positive, you are being negative. You're seeing small things. Now when it comes to paparazzi, she's been loved by them, and I don't have any problem when they click her or they talk to her, they shake hands with her, and they love her.
Tara, you love camera uncles.
They take your photos, na? You like them, no? They're sweet, na?
Mahi, we all know that you love all three of your kids equally. But Rajveer and Khushi has been discussed in the mainstream a few years back. Does that heat ever comes to you?
No, Khushi is pretty grown up to see YouTube, and Raju is also pretty grown up to see YouTube, and they see all this and they read the comments and they're like, "Mama, like कितने बुरे हैं, like ऐसे भी लोग हैं क्या दुनिया में?" So I tell them that don't read, you know, don't have to read, don't have like even if I have a reel where I'm holding her and I'm holding Khushi, and you know I go close to her. Normally also if you see, you go towards the smaller baby,
right?
You know, 100%. Because you cuddle the big one. You cuddle the big one, now it's her turn. But फिर बोलते हैं अपना बच्चा है तो देखो क्या कर रही है, उसका हाथ नहीं पकड़ा, वो कैसे देख रही है, मायूस होके देख रही है. अरे यार, मतलब तुम वो लोग हो जो किसी को 10 रुपए नहीं दोगे तो तुम क्या बातें करो. I really don't care about
this. Is so true.
So they will find negativity in everything, and her namaz ka hua tha tab bhi there was a lot of so I don't want to teach her one religion. She's a human being first, and she should know. She goes to Gurdwara also. She, through her nanny, she knows Christianity also. She knows everything. She knows what Muslims do and what Hindus do, and for her there should be only one God. You know,
Right.
I don't want to teach her, oh my God, we are Hindus, we are this. No, I don't want to teach my daughter. Whatever she's learning, let her learn. Whatever automatically is coming within her, let her do. You know, I don't. अगर उसमें में भी नहीं आता तो मैं नहीं बोलती करने के लिए. You know, it's coming within her, and maybe I don't know. She's very religious, by the way.
Huh?
She's very religious. So whatever she's doing, I appreciate what she's
So
doing.
she does puja and
Yeah,
all of that she
yes,
does.
yes.
Oh my god, such a little kid. Tara, you like puja? What puja do you like?
जय जय कैसे करते हैं बताओ. दीदी को नहीं आता है.
मुझे नहीं आता. Oh, ऐसे.
पाउच ही कर रहा है इसलिए. Okay, we'll show दीदी later. Okay.
Mahi, you have talked about Tara's nanny. So when you have a grandparent at home, is it helpful in parenting?
Definitely, because the way they have brought us up, and you know, it definitely helps in a way that our upbringing really is completely changed when grandparents are there. Plus, when I have to go somewhere, the most trusted person is my mother. You know,
That's so true.
so yeah, it helps in that way.
When we talk about this generation, they are all about games. मुझे फुटबॉल भी फ़ोन पे खेलना है, मुझे क्रिकेट भी फ़ोन पे खेलना है. हम लोग बाहर जाते थे, हम लोग दोस्तों के साथ खो खो भी खेलते थे. So how do you manage that? How do you take care of their screen time, all three of them?
So luckily I have all three, so they are so busy doing so many things at home.
Huh.
Plus they have classes. So best way is to put them in a class. They will not have a phone. And yes, I also give her phone for a very little time, or iPad for a very little time when she's eating maybe or whatever. But I don't say नहीं आप तो हाथ ही नहीं लगा सकते हो. TV, Khushi watches movies and all, but that's okay. Even we watched when we were kids, so I don't think so that's a problem. As long as they're not hooked on. I've seen kids hooked on to mobile phones and video games. Luckily, all my 3 kids are not hooked on. They're very scared when I say put the phone down. They'll put the phone down.
If we are talking about these two, our generation and their generation, in my generation especially, marks were a thing. Like you had to get good marks in exams. So what are your plans towards your kids, or how do you look at their mark
Rajveer
sheet?
and Tara are doing pretty well.
हाँ.
Pretty well in school. Like Rajveer को तो कुछ बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Khushi is little behind, but then she gets very conscious that she is not like Rajveer is scoring and Tara is scoring. She's not, but I tell her that I don't want to stress them. In today's this thing, हमको तो फटके भी पड़े हैं. Now today we can't do that.
Exactly.
We can't do it because we don't know. अरे mental health खराब हो रहा है. बच्चा depression में चल. We don't know what generation is this. So we have to be very calm, and we have to explain them that like Khushi, I tell her that it's okay, but don't fail in exams. Don't fail in exams. You get decent amount of marks, and because I would not want you to sit with kids, smaller kids in school. Even you will not like it that you sitting with your brother. So I explain her in that way, and I tell her that I work hard to make you study, and please, for my respect, when I go to school, when I meet the teachers, I don't want to listen that you're weak. I want to listen that you are you working hard towards. Maybe it's not working out for you, but you work hard. So that's how I explain her.
माही फॉर एक्टर्स स्पेशली बहुत हैक्टिक स्केड्यूल होता है. हर बार ज़रूरी नहीं आप मुंबई में शूट करो. यू हैव टू गो आउट फॉर वर्क, फॉर एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. तो एट दैट टाइम यू हैव टोल्ड मी दैट योर मदर कम्स to protect the kids, take care of them. But how do kids look at it? Do they understand this already? Because Tara is too young to understand all of this.
I'm sure they do understand. They do understand, and it's good that when they will have a wife or a partner, they will respect that part that okay, my mother was working, you are working, so like when they will grow up, like Rajveer, when he grow up, he will know that my mama was also working. She was also housewife, and she was working also at the same time. So I don't think so there's any issue in that.
Not everyone had a pregnancy journey that you went through. So, what are your advices to new moms, or what are your advices for people who still think that IVF is not the right way?
I think, yeah, a lot of people tell me also, like, "Nee, we will try naturally, we will not go for IVF." That's their call, you know, that's their personal decision. I'm not anybody's mother, or I'm not anybody's doctor. So I chose because I was 36 and I had no choice, to try it further. So yes, I'm very happy that I chose IVF, and um, you have healthy babies, and you have a baby. There is another way to have a baby, and yeah, but that's their call. I can't tell them, oh, please go do an IVF, or please, I don't want to be anybody's mother. I mean, that's your call completely.
Out of your experience, what advice do you want to give all the husbands, like out of how Jay has taken care of you?
So again, I don't want to be anybody's mother, but yes, I mean, it's not a responsibility, but it's a way you want to get involved with the child. How much you want to get involved with the child. So there's nothing like responsibility, or you have to do this. Like I said, you have to do this, or I have to do this. It's certain how much you want to be connected to your child. That's when you spend time with your child. That's when you take them to play area. That's when you make them eat. That's when you basically how much you care about your child, and how much you want to indulge in small things. Like I said, because a lot of parents are busy, and that's why they have phones, because they have nobody else to talk to.
Right.
So yeah, talk to your child, get involved with your child, make time for your child.
Now we have a very fun segment planned for you. Who is more likely to? First 4 questions are for 3 kids,
Okay.
and then next 4 questions are for you and Jay. Who is more likely to break a new toy?
Tara,
Demand a new dress?
Khushi,
Emotionally blackmail Jay?
Rajveer,
Eat all the veggies?
Tara,
Tara? Okay, now next 4 questions are for you and Jay. Agree to all their demands.
me,
Scold them for mistakes.
Jay,
Join hands with kids for any masti that they do.
Jay,
Order food for them.
Jay, and me both.
That's it from our side. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mahi.
Thank you. Nice talking to you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.